Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're in a bit of a classic, a Porsche 911. But before we get too carried away on today's video, we're going to sit in the car and listen to the existing system. This car already has JBL front speakers upgraded in it, but they don't sound too great. So we've got a Blaupunkt Bremen, coaxial speakers in the front, and we've got rear speakers. So the system that's going to be going in is new tweeters, better drivers in the front of the door, soundproofing, and then rear speakers and a 4-channel amp. And we're going to be tidying up some of the ugly electrics that the car has currently. We're going to be sorting it all out, but for now, let's have a little listen to how the system sounds. So just listening to that, the speakers are really struggling here. They sound really low, muffled. This left side does sound like it's already blown, but yeah, already really poor. So it's not going to take much to upgrade this car, but the work has to be done to make this system sound insane. But also, let's have a look, and we're going to showcase the entire journey of the actual install process of how we upgrade a classic Porsche. now complete and the install is all done. We're now going to actually get to experience the sound inside the vehicle. Obviously you heard the system, what it sounded like before, and now time to hear the transformation. So before we get too carried away into that, I do want to talk to you about what components we've actually got in here. Firstly, the source unit is the Blaupunkt Bremen unit. Really nice, looks really part of the car. And we've got the little microphone mounted on top of the steering wheel column here, giving a really nice discreet look. And we've gotten rid of the original mic that was put up at the top. The other thing we've added onto the vehicle is DAB, but in a nice way. So on the vehicle, originally there was an antenna on the right hand side of the windscreen. We've now moved that to the rear quarter with a new antenna, which is better performing, installed correctly, but also it just looks a little bit nicer. Then in terms of the actual speakers, what have we got in here? So these are the Audison Prima P range. So you get a tweeter and 6.5-inch mid bass, and then we've got the Hertz-Dici 4x6 in the rears. They're in a stock location, original grills. The front is on display here because we've gone for a bigger speaker, and we're actually using the Audison Thesis grills to give a really nice look in the front of the car. And we've got the tweeters actually on axis as well here, using the little adapters, and it looks really, really nice in here. It blends in nicely. We've even customized the color of the Thesis grill so it blends in even more, and that is why people travel all over the country, all over the world to us. It's those finer little details. So then we've got the amplifier, which is running a fully active system which runs the tweeters and 6.5-inch mid basses, and then the rears are running off the head unit. So there's no crossovers in this system at all. So it's a fully active front end, and that amplifier is underneath the passenger seat. So that is a little bit of an overview of what the kit in the car is, but all of that will be in the description below as well, guys. But for now, let's have a listen to it. So we're going to play something with a little bit of vocals to start with and see how it sounds. I mean, the difference already.
You could say anything, but it could mean everything, 'cause you said it to the right person and they needed the compliment. But isn't it sickening? You could say you're in love with them, but it won't mean anything at all. But that's not your fault. Life's funny like that. You lose one thing, get another one back. You thought you knew, but oh, it's so frustrating.
I don't know how well that's coming across on camera, but that is a phenomenal transformation from how the car came in. The clarity, the presence inside the vehicle, and those mid basses running a fully active front end in this car makes a hell of a difference. The way we've also mounted everything is really important. Not only are the tweeters on axis, but you've also got those mid basses, and we've done something rather special behind the scenes to actually get a lot more mid bass from them. And this system doesn't have a designated sub in it. It would obviously benefit from that and get even lower frequencies, but even still is absolutely insane.
And still have the right to say I'm so incredible,
It's just a really nice experience now. Before it sounded absolutely horrific, and now it's just a pleasant place to be. You can sit and do loads and loads of miles in this thing now and just enjoy it. But hopefully this has come across well on camera how good this system sounds, and I'm sure our client is going to do many, many more miles in this car. And it's a phenomenally beautiful car, fantastic driving car as well, and now it's complete with its new sound system. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.